Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. We do beauty things here, so you're in for a real treat. But before we go ahead and get started, could you do me a huge favor and go over here and hit the little subscribe button for me, please? And thank you, and don't forget to put the post bell notification on so that you can be notified every time I upload. Guys, today we are working in the Morphe 24A Artist Pass, and you guys might be saying, Bobbi, after what your last video was, shouldn't we hate Morphe? And I'm like, no, they really had a huge misstep. And if you missed my last video as to why, I'll go ahead and link that right here at the little eye icon thing. But we are going to go ahead and use a lot of these shades in here. A lot, child. I use like 3. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette and show you guys, like, these shadows are what they are for the money. It are good. Okay, because, you know, like I normally say in real life, that beauty shouldn't cost a bunch of money. You can make beautiful looks like this one with, you know, a Morphe palette that costs $25. You don't have to have like fucking Natasha Denona. You don't have to have Tom Ford or whatever to have glowy, beautiful skin, child. No, all you need is some Colorpop, baby. But if you are ready to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I also forgot to mention about this Morphe 24A Artist Pass. Like, literally the shade that's in the pan is the shade that goes on your eye, which I think is magnificent, because most shades, especially drugstore shades, aren't like that. Like, they show up a different color than they are in the pan. You know what I'm saying? So with that corally shade, I just put it on there to, you know, have something really cute, a fun pop of color. But I'm going for like glitter and grunge, honey. Okay, basically that's what this is going to be. And so you're gonna see me blending a lot because I used a different eyeshadow base. Well, I used a concealer, but I almost always use a concealer, but I used a different one. I used the regular E.L.F 16-hour camo concealer, not the hydrating one, just the regular one. And this made and I used it as my concealer because I did my face before I did this eye look, and it's just so drying. I tried to give it another go because I was like, well, you paid for it, even if it only is $6. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, you paid for it, like, you better make it work kind of situation. And it's not gonna work for me. Like, I need to find somebody who has oily skin who's about that shade. You know what I'm saying? And clearly this is a white concealer. It's the Colorpop No Filter Concealer. And I'm just saying, like, just use a little bit. Like, I think everybody tends to overdo it on concealer, and I don't think that's a new fact, but as I'm getting older and older, I'm becoming more of an advocate for less products on your face. You know what I'm saying? And this is the shade called Secret Set, and baby, this is so pretty. Like, it comes off more smooth looking in person than it does right here. Right here it looks like an obvious glitter, and it's very shimmery, but it's not that glittery, which is why you will see me go in with the AOA diamond. Is it the diamond powder? No, it's the crystal powder in the shade Tanzanite, and I just wanted more like of a chunky glitter feel on it, which is why I used that. And this is so pretty. It's a purple glitter, and it has a little flecks of blue in there too, and it's just beautiful. This is the shade Baby Powder.
And I really love these faux white baby powder. These faux white eyeliners by NYX. I highly recommend if you need like a white-ish kind of eyeliner. And that was kind of like draggy whenever I tried to bring it down, so I just put a little bit of white concealer down there, and I forgot I had done that on my, struggle eye. And then I put more Secret Set, just, basically mimicking the top to the bottom here so that we can have a cute cohesive kind of look. Only when I go in here with the Seek shade, I am but I am bringing it more to a point towards the end, but not like to a sharp point, just like bringing it to a point-esque, if you will. And this eyeliner right here was out of frame, sorry.
Okay guys, so that is my tutorial on this cute halo eye with glitter or spotlight eye, whatever you want to call it. I actually really think that this crystal powder from AOA Studios in the shade Tanzanite, it just like took it to a different level, at least in person. I really don't think that the camera is picking this up the way it should be. Like, goodness, like this is so pretty. And I also have a little bit of feedback for this eyeliner right here, the Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner, and I have the black one. First of all, I kind of find the wand itself to be really hard to work with because it's like stiff. It looks like it would be a brush, but it's very, very stiff. And way too much product comes out. Maybe their little like tension hole isn't like whatever enough. And you guys, let me add really quick also that I just have on a tinted lip balm, and this is the Palladio, this one. I think I said that right? Palladio Bronzey Pink lip tinted moisturizer. Yeah, you guys get the point. So really quickly, I just wanted to give like more than 2 shout outs. I wanted to give a shout out to everybody who commented on my last video. I feel like I've seen so much progress in my channel, and it's not just because of me, it's because of you guys too, and because you guys are discovering my channel, and also when you guys interact with me, it really helps like YouTube recognize that people like my video, like when you guys like it or comment, how the duration in which you guys watch it, all of that is really, really great, and I really appreciate it, guys. Like, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate everybody who is subscribed to me, and really everybody who comments and takes the time to comment, because you guys could be anywhere in the world. You don't have to be at my channel watching me, so thank you guys so much. So I'm gonna list some stuff off. And by stuff, I mean everybody's name who commented on my last video, okay? Makeup by Lou, Framework Photography, DP, Ultraviolet, Leanne McCarter, Unicorn Slime, the Creative Urge, Lovisi, Adventures of SM, RGK Whips, yeah, Ekaterina T, Whitney, which happens to be my sister. Her name is Whitney, but it's spelled like Wit, W-I-T, and then knee, just so you guys know. It's not somebody trolling me, so don't attack her. She trolls my whole life, okay? So anyways, Melissa Gibson, which is my wife. Thank you so much, Melissa, for actually looking at my channel and all that stuff, because guys, makeup is not her thing. A Merchant Beauty and Darlene Pierre Duca. I think that I said that right. I'm so sorry if I did not. But thank you guys so much for watching my video all the way to the end, and thank you guys for commenting. And I really hope that you guys share my video. I really do appreciate everybody who likes my videos. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.